Well, here I'm again today on a Saturday working on the van. So today I'm doing a heater hose fitting that goes into the intake manifold. So I've got the doghouse off, got some tools, that thing off. This is actually the heater vent. So anyway, this is what I'm doing. So I took this fitting off, and man, that was brutal. Look at that hole. That's what happens, there's a whole crack right around it too. Most of that's not even fresh. Weird. Crappy stuff. Anyway, so yeah, I had to back off the heater hose there and check it out. I have to cut these pieces out. I'm doing a pretty good job ripping them out with some pliers right now, which I'm thankful for. So this is the heater hose fitting where it goes into the intake manifold. So just to give you an idea where it is exactly. This heater hose fitting is made out of pot aluminum because it's not very magnetic, so it's a pain in the butt too. So what you do is you take a blade and you cut around, probably, you know, one here, one there, one there, one there, and you cut the metal out and you pull it out very carefully because you don't want anything going down in that hole, because then you have to flush it out really well, and even then it's really difficult. So anyway, this is where I'm at with this, and more to come. Wow, that took a long time. It's probably taking me a good 2 or 3 hours just trying to get that fitting out, just the pieces around the inside the threads. And I mean, it was only for like half an inch or half a centimeter of material. And actually, this is what look. Now I just have to figure out how to get that black crap out of the